Formula One Sports F1 team Williams Racing joins the Metaverse. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. It's official. Terra Virtua is joining Williams Racing as their official metaverse partner. We will now see their branding on full display on the cars, the driver race suits, and mechanic overalls. This weekend's Miami Grand Prix kicks off this multi-year partnership. On a side note, the event saw Michael Jordan, Tom Brady, David Beckham, and many other stars today. Well, we can't say that this comes as a surprise. Williams Racing has had decades of racing and innovative success. They will now double down on their focus towards fan engagement. Besides Formula One, the British racing team also runs their own esports team, with more than 30 drivers ready to rev their engines. With Terra Virtua on board, they will look to add greater depth to the overall fan experience on race weekends and beyond. The Metaverse platform has plenty to offer. Terra's curated marketplace, Metaverse, and global networks provide a complete ecosystem for its clients. Specifically, this includes immersive social, gaming, digital collectibles, and creative experiences. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the Metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Firstly, the partnership will see digital collectibles and generative art projects. Williams Racing fans will get to encounter various interactive experiences in many virtual environments. This will then open up many new opportunities for Williams to go digital. Besides engaging with their fans in a whole new way, the racing team may onboard a new wave of fans. In addition, Terra Virtua and Williams Racing have similar sustainability goals, making both of them a match made in heaven. Terra Virtua runs on the Polygon blockchain, removing many environmental concerns that the mainstream community may have towards this space. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.